how to find slanted blur and use it. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find the slanted blur effect and how to use it. So let's jump right into this tutorial and make sure you watch this until the very end and also subscribe for more tutorials. So what we have to do right now is to click on, you have to click on here, effects. So click on effects, and here in effects, click on video effects. Okay, and here, now make sure you go to, you select here basic, and then here you should see a slanted blur, as you can see here. Now just select slanted blur. Sorry, that's not this. Slanted blur. Click on OK. And now how you can use this effect is if you move this effect, where you want. You can even make it last longer or shorten it, okay, this effect. And now if you select it and you click on adjust, you can increase the blur from here, and you can also increase the rotation of the blur, okay. And now if you want to add this blur, and this blur will last only a couple of seconds, you can accomplish this very easily by adjusting this blur. As you can see I'm doing here. I'm adjusting this blur, and this blur will appear right after, as you can see here, and right after the blur will the cursor will reach the blur will start showing up. So if you also have the cursor over the blur, you'll see the blur. So that's how you use the blur. I know this is a very basic tutorial, but I know there's probably someone out there that's looking for a tutorial, that's looking for an answer. So I hope this video provides you with an answer and a tutorial that helps you learn how to use this effect and how to find this effect, because I know there's some people don't know. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. And also, if you have any suggestions for the next Capcut tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. So thank you for watching and take care.